Well, by the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. But before I get started, I owe a special thank you. I was sitting here one day and my wife brought in an Amazon box and says, "Hey, did you order something from Amazon?" And I hadn't. I said, "Well, let me open it." And I opened it up, and lo and behold, here's this Mavic Air 2. And not only an Air 2, but it's the Fly More combo, so it's got some extra stuff in here. I've never owned a drone in my life, and it's like, I'm shocked. So I'm start digging, and I find this little note in here, and it says, "Merry Christmas, Dad, from Clint." Clint's my son, so a very special shout out to you. This is a fantastic Christmas gift. I think you know me. You know I'd probably never spend the money to buy this on my own, but hey, I'm just going to unbox this thing, and I'm going to just take you through my journey. I've never flew a drone. I've never owned a drone, so we're going to unbox it, see what's in it. Then I'm going to take you on my journey to my first flight, and maybe it's your first time, or maybe you're fixing to buy a drone and you want to see what my experience is before you buy one. So, hey, let's unbox this thing right quick, and we'll see what's in it, and then we'll start our journey. And put my glasses on here so I don't cut myself. Well, that's what it looks like in the box. Looks like it all comes in a nice little carrying case here. All right, I've got this unboxed, and I thought I would quickly just go over exactly what's in this Fly More combo. Now, of course, you got the unit, the drone itself, the Mavic Air 2. Now, what's good, this comes with a charger that will charge 3 batteries, and it comes with 3 batteries, where just the regular drone only comes with 1. I didn't open them all, but it comes with 6 it comes with 12 propellers. So you got 6 for one side, and here's the other side, 6 more. This right here, open it up. You got some filters you can put on your camera if you need filters. Of course, here is the remote control. You open this up, and your lightning cable is right inside, wrapped up. Now these, your little toggle controls, they fit right here, and there's some slots. And this little package right here, it comes with an extra set. And it also comes with, there's your cables, hook up. Now this little guy right here, if you'll notice, it's got 2 USB ports. You can actually plug one of these batteries in here and use this cable, and you know, if you want to charge something like your phone, something like that, you can use that. And it also comes, this is a real nice case. I'm really surprised how nice this case is. The Fly More combo, you get quite a bit of extra stuff. If I did the math right, between the regular drone package and the Fly More combo is about $189 difference in price. But if my math is right, you get about $306 worth of value, you know, with the extra batteries and the 3 charger. This little guy, you know, you get extra propellers. These little filters, I believe, are around $65. And of course, you get an extra set of, you know, the control toggles. And you also get this bag. This bag alone is around $89. So there's quite a good value in, you know, buying the combo. But if you don't need it, hey, you can buy just a regular drone. So, hey, let's move on, and let's get out and fly this thing. Well, I've got my Mavic Air 2 all loaded up. I'm fixing to head out in the country and take my first flight, but I thought I would stop here and take a second and go over a few things I actually did to get ready for this first flight. First thing I did is I went to the Drone Zone FAA website, and I'm going to put the link down in the description. And I actually registered this. It gives you a little card to put in your pocket and give you some numbers. And I think it costs $5, and it's good for 3 years. Then I made out some numbers, and I actually attached it to the top of my drone. I even put my phone number on there and put if lost, call. So being a rookie pilot, I thought that might be a good idea. Next thing I did, I went to the DJI app, or actually what I did was I went to the Play Store and I typed in DJI Fly, and it brought up the DJI Fly app, and I downloaded that on my phone, and then I set it up, and it only took just a minute. It was very, very simple, so you'll need to do that. Now the next thing I did is I put the propellers on. So this is something you want to make sure you do right. On the top of these propellers, some of them got little white markings and some are solid black. And on the drone itself, there's white and black. So make sure you put the ones with the white markings on the white and the black on the black, and they just click into place. Next thing I did is I got me a memory card, and I got the scan disk, I guess it's SanDisk. 64 gig extreme. I just went to the DJI website, and it's one of the ones they recommended, and it seemed to be the best one from what I can tell. If you know something different, you can leave it in the comments. And then I just opened the little slot on the side of the drone, and I inserted it. So that's kind of a few things I've done before I'm heading to the country. So hey, let's head out and continue this journey. Well, I've got everything set up, ready to go. It's kind of a windy day, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. One of the things they said do is be sure you take that little cover off your camera, so it's going to recenter itself when we turn it on, so you don't want it to tear your camera up. Also, it recommend you use a flat surface, so I had just a piece of board in the garage, so I took and brought it out here for a flat surface. So let's see if we can take this thing off. It also said point it away from you, so the camera's pointing away from me. So let's see what happens. All right, to turn these on, you push once, you push it a second time and hold it. And same way with your remote, you push your power button once, push it a second time and hold it. All right, it says go fly. We're going to try it. All right, to start off with, I'm gonna hit the takeoff button. I don't want to try to do it myself, so let's see what happens. First, I'm going to turn my camera on. I'm going to push and hold the takeoff button.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Well, it took off. All right, I'm fixing to hit the come home button, see if I can fly a different direction because I can't see it. So I'm gonna hit the come home button.
Go home. Landing.
Wow, that was pretty easy. Did everything I want. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to get at a different angle where I'm not looking straight into that sun, and we'll try this again. But hey, for first flight, man, that went pretty well. I took off, flew out there a ways, and shoot, it come right back. All right, I'm fixing to take off. I'm going to use the auto takeoff. I'm going to turn the camera on. Hold the takeoff button.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right. gonna come home.
Go home.
See, it's gonna go to the return to home that I set it at 92 feet. That's where it's gonna come home at. That way, if you have any problem, with trees or anything, it's supposed to avoid them, but.
Landing.
Wow, that is absolutely amazing. I've never flew a drone in my life. And for the first time, I can't ask for it to do any more. I was able to take off, I was able to land, I was able to film, run the camera, take it out, bring it back. Hey guys, if you're looking for a drone to buy and you've got the money to spend, and you really ain't ever flew one before, hey, I think this Mavic Air 2 may be the one to get. So, hey, if this video helped you out, if you enjoyed it, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.